Hello everyone, this is Riddhi from Agri Analyze. In this video, we will see about pair t-test. Now we will move forward to our example. Here is our example. The table presents the milk production of 12 cows recorded during morning and evening milking session. The objective is to statistically test whether there is a significant difference between morning and evening milk yields. Now we will move forward to our Excel file. Here is our Excel file that we have recorded of morning and evening milking session. Now we will save this file. So click on File, Save As. We have to save this file in a CSV UTF-8 format. Now we will move forward to our website Agri Analyze. From there we will select pair t-test. Here we have to upload our CSV file. Alpha level of significance will be 0.05. Average difference will be 0. Variable name will be milk yield. Category type will be timing of milking, and then click on Submit. Here you have to pay some nominal charges for the analysis report. So now click on Submit. From here you can download the analysis report. Here is the output of pair t-test. First, descriptive statistic of data. Second, histogram plot of the data are also given. Box plot of both the sample are also given. Additional plot is also given. Normality assumption test is also given over here. And here are the result of pair t-test. It starts with hypothesis and followed by degrees of freedom, t-value, p-value, and lastly the most important thing, that is interpretation of the result. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.